Hey, real estate fans, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Alice Lema. I'm a principal broker at Home and Land Real Estate, and we do these Southern Oregon housing podcasts several times a month. Also, happy 2026. It's going to be a great year. And speaking of a great year, we've got two reports to talk about because demand is on the rise and rates and prices are stabilizing in spite of a somewhat chaotic world. So, let's dive in. Freddie Mac this week reported that we have 20% more buyers getting pre-approved than this time last year. So a 20% bump in the buyer pool for 2026 is amazing and definitely more than I would have predicted, especially for early January. So with that happening kind of behind the scenes, we can go out into our little future crystal ball and make some firmer predictions. One which is going to be that the prices are not going to be moving around a lot. We're looking at definite price stability, and I'm going to say interest rate stability. I know there's a lot of chatter on the financial markets that the interest rates could go down quite a bit. They've been saying that for a long time. I don't know. If it happens, we'll address it. We'll do a podcast on it. But I'm looking out into the future and thinking it's going to be smooth and kind of quiet. We're going to have more demand. We're going to have more inventory, but it's going to settle down. The dust will clear and we'll have a normal market for a change. How about that? The other report I wanted to talk about was from NAR, National Association of Realtors, and the chief economist, Dr. Lawrence Yun, is also reiterating that he's predicting kind of minimal growth in the price department, 2 to 3%, but he's predicting wages will outpace inflation. So inflation's gone down. He's saying the wages are going to go up, maybe not a lot, but the wages will be more than the rate of inflation, and the wages will help bring the housing market back. So that was a nice surprise that Dr. Lawrence Yun from NAR thinks that people are going to have more money in their paycheck. And that will definitely help the housing market. So if you're a seller, keep in mind the prices are not going to be really very much higher than they are right now, but you're likely to have maybe as much as 20% more buyers interested, at least in the market. And the inventory will be up, but not by very much. So your competition worries are not as big of a deal as they were in the last couple of years. So sellers, just do your homework on your neighborhood and be realistic, and also welcome the increase in buyers. That's a good thing. Buyers, we don't always have it this good. So a stable market, the prices are not going down like they were. So write your offers more carefully, keeping in mind that we're off the bottom. I know a lot of buyers are still pushing the envelope, and some properties you can do that with. If it's been sitting a long time, buyers, you can write a lower offer. If they've recently lost a deal, you could write a lower offer. Well, you could write a lower offer under any circumstances, but Alice is here saying be judicious in how you're structuring your deals, because it's not like it was last year. But in a way, it's going to be better because smooth sailing and stability is a breath of fresh air for everybody. And the sellers are going to enjoy that too. We're not going to be so rushed. We're not going to be so distraught. If you have a real hot market, then you're rushed. And if you have a slow market, you're distraught. So this is going to be more normal. We haven't seen normal in forever. We probably won't be comfortable with it for a few months, but that's kind of where we're going. And I like that Freddie Mac and NAR are making similar predictions. So that kind of gives us all a little more comfort that our market is definitely stabilizing. So with that in mind, I want to talk to you about your real estate stuff, what's coming up, what you want to do. how to structure it, and let's put together a long-term plan for your real estate needs. Give me a call, give me a text, 541-301-7980. That's 541-301-7980. Give us a call, give us a text. I'm a great listing agent, great buyer's agent, great with investments. I'm an investor myself. We have Home Nest Property Management Company. So whatever your situation is, we can handle it and give you some good advice. So give me a call, give me a text, and also like and subscribe to this channel. Our goal this year is to get that over 1,000 subscriptions in YouTube. That gives us a different ranking in YouTube, and that's definitely something we want to hit this year. So like and subscribe, send it to your friends, and tune in again next time. Have a great weekend. Bye now.